Unlock the health secrets of tapioca flour.
Hello and welcome, health enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into a food ingredient that has been gaining popularity, tapioca flour. Known for its versatility, this flour, derived from the cassava root, is packed with benefits. We will explore the health benefits of using tapioca flour in your cooking or baking.
What is tapioca flour?
Tapioca flour, also known as tapioca starch, is a gluten-free, grain-free flour made from the starch extracted from the cassava root, a tuber native to South America. This flour is quite popular in baking and cooking due to its thickening properties and its ability to create a crispy crust and chewy texture in baked goods.
What are the health benefits of tapioca flour?
The benefits of using tapioca flour in your food preparation extend beyond just the kitchen. Here are some of the health benefits of incorporating tapioca flour in your diet. 1. Gluten-free and grain-free. Tapioca flour is naturally gluten-free and grain-free, making it a fantastic option for those with celiac disease, gluten sensitivity, or those following a grain-free diet like the paleo diet. 2. Easy digestibility. Tapioca is known for its easy digestibility, which makes it a gentle choice for those with digestive issues or those looking to give their digestive system a break. 3. Rich in carbohydrates. Tapioca flour is high in carbohydrates, providing a quick and easy source of energy for your body. This can be beneficial for those needing a quick energy boost during endurance activities. 4. Low in sodium and fat. Tapioca flour is low in both sodium and fat. When used as a part of a balanced diet, it can help maintain healthy blood pressure and weight. Remember, while tapioca flour offers these benefits, it is not a significant source of protein, fiber, or other vitamins and minerals. So, it's essential to pair it with other nutrient-dense foods for a balanced meal.
How can you incorporate tapioca flour in your diet?
Using tapioca flour in your cooking and baking is incredibly easy. Its neutral taste means it blends well with other ingredients. You can use it as a thickener in sauces and gravies, a binder in burgers and patties, and to provide crispiness in baked goods. Remember to balance it with nutrient-rich ingredients to reap the full benefits of your meal. That wraps up our exploration of the health benefits of using tapioca flour in cooking or baking. Not only does it bring versatility to your recipes, but it also adds a unique health benefit to your meals, especially for those following a gluten-free or grain-free diet. Remember, balance is key to a healthy diet, so pair your tapioca flour with nutrient-dense foods. Here's to good health and delicious meals with tapioca flour. Happy cooking!